Hello, it's Bobby from Total Seal Piston Rings. We're going to cover how to put the quick seat into the cylinders correctly and how to use the AL8 Assembly Lube. First, you want to start out with a clean cylinder and clean it out with WD-40. Basically, you want to rub it in the cylinders all over, clean it until there's no residue left. There is still a little residue there, so we'll do it one more time. The residue is gone. Then we'll take the quick seat, maybe, open it, and you can see it's a powder. It's like a graphite, but it is not graphite. You dab it on your fingers, rub it into the cylinders. You can see it's turning like a slight green. That tells you the cylinder was prepped correctly. Kind of hard to see maybe, but there's a green hue to it. That's all you want to do to the cylinder at this time. We're not going to add anything else, any more oils, WD-40, nothing. That's just the way it stays. Then we'll grab the rings, take some AL8, put it on your fingers, like so, and you're going to spread it around on the rings until they're covered. Do it to the second ring. Oil rails, stuff does spread and go a long way, so you don't need a ton of it. And that's it. Then we'll put them on the piston. Oil ring on. Get the upper rail on. Oil rings assembled. I'm going to take the second ring, which is a Napier. Napier cut goes down. We do recommend using ring pliers. Keeps from twisting the rings and bending them. Second ring's on. Top ring, bevel up. And it's installed. At that time, you want to take some more AL8, put it on your fingers, and rub the skirts. Now this one's ready to be assembled. We don't want to use any tranny fluid. That's for trannies, power steering fluids for power steering, gear oils for rear end. So basically recommend is using Driven, our Total Seal brand break-in oil, or the Driven brand. Nothing else, no other additives at all. And basically that's how all this product is used.